Alright, and welcome back. So we did this box VulnNet Endgame earlier today, and we got to the CMS portion, and I had to stop there. So we are going to do a really quick run through of what we already did. Alright, and then from there we're going to just get back to pretty much where I was. So we start off obviously with a rough scan, right? As usual. Or an MF scan, whatever. We got 22 and 80 up, right? I go into port 80, and we're not really finding too much. So if I go into here, there's not really much in here, right? Our service are accessible only through the VulnNet THM domain. Okay, let's go ahead and look at VulnNet THM.thm. All right, and we get to here, right? Do a control U, you go ahead and look through this and everything. We're not really finding much in here from what I can see. I did look through the main.js, obviously things like that. So we fuzzed this with a directory buster, and we also did a vhost on it. When we did the vhost, we found quite a few things. So when we do fuff, right, for VulnNet, and we're gonna fuzz VulnNet.thm host header, right? So we did do a get rid of anything that has we're FW9. We start seeing API, we see shop, we see blog, admin1. All right, we see a lot of different things. As we started looking through them all, right? So we started looking through everything. Okay, we came over to blog first. Well, we went to admin1, I believe it was first, but we came over. We got to blog finally, and we realized that it was calling for this blog 1. So I went ahead and grabbed that guy, blog 1. Okay, cool. And then we did a blog 2, and we saw that okay, something's happening here, right? I tried to do SQL injection manually, and we just get titles 200. I was like, okay, that's kind of weird. We can do like a 1 or 1 equals 1, something like that. And oh, request ID comes through like that. Okay, we got titles here. Okay, so what we did was we ended up writing SQL map on it. SQL map dropped a lot of stuff. We ended up using the BE users. There's a lot of stuff that gets dropped with SQL map. Tons of stuff. So we ended up just kind of working our way through there and figuring out what we want to use and everything. Now, after all that was done, we made our user and password list, right? And so there's two different blog sites. There's the Typo3 blog site, and then there's also another blog site on there. So we got both things from Typo3 and blog site, and we were able to get the Typo3 or usernames. If I do username.txt, we had all these users. All right. If I do path.txt, we had all these passwords. But then we did find one user in the Typo3 one, which was BE, which I'm pretty sure stands for backend. And we were able to actually get a user called Chris W off of that. So from there, I decided, okay, cool, let's go ahead and put him or send his hash up that we found. So if I cat that hash.txt, we threw this into John the Ripper. All right, then we can go ahead and cat that Typo3.txt, and that's what we got back. Now we did use the pass.txt word list against the Typo3, or against the hash file that we had. So we used our password list that we found from the dump that we got for SQL dump versus the password hash that we found, and we used it pretty much like that. So that is how we got to the point that we're at now. Now from there, we can go ahead and we can log in to the file system, right? So let's go ahead and get back to, I believe it was admin1, blog. I think it might be blog. Yes, take me to blog. Thank you. Was it blog or was it admin1? It may have been admin1. Or it may have been this, and then, let's see, or let's try admin1. Yep, Typo3. So we did end up doing a directory brute forcer on all of these, and we ended up finding this Typo3. Typo3 is a type of CMS, so that's like where we started to get a little bit excited. And this is about the time that I had to stop. So let's go ahead and check out Chris W here, and we'll throw in his password here. Now, one thing with Typo3, and I thought I had notes on Typo3, but I do not, so I'll update my notes with that. But one thing with Typo3 is that it's very easy to block certain file uploads. So I already put my shell.php into here, but it's very easy to block certain file uploads also. So what we can do with that is let's go ahead and actually make a little Typo3 thing here. We can actually look up if certain files are blocked within typo3 pretty easily. And just kind of, if Chris W has the rights, we can actually just delete that firewall entry like right there. That's something that we can do. That is possible on typo3 if Chris W has the rights. Now this does take a minute to log in, so we'll let it go ahead and do its thing. I don't think I have anything. Nope. Okay. So I'll make sure I wasn't doing anything crazy there. So I'll actually get back into my VPN here. We'll stop this and we'll just kind of back forward. Still trying to verify login data. Okay. It took us a while to log in last time, but that's where we got to, and then that was it. Go ahead and throw this into here. Verify file upload firewall, something like that. You can make deny scripts and stuff like that within typo3. And if we are being denied, obviously we're not going to be able to get into it very easily. So we're going to have to just pretty much delete those if he has the rights to be able to do so. So that's the biggest thing, is if he has the rights. So now we'll try to figure it out. We'll see what happens here. Still verifying login. Like I said, it took a long time to log in before. So if it seems like it's stuck, let it go. We could also, I also wanted to try out this tool once I saw it was typo3. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do a quick git clone here. And we'll just throw it into cd into tools, git clone. And let's go ahead and we'll cd into woot, I guess, or cd into typo3.scan. Alright, then we have that Python typo3 scan.py. We probably Python 3 maybe. Let's see here. What do we got here? A module named progress bar. pip3 install progress bar. Alright, pip3's getting it like right now. Then we'll try pip after that. Pip install progress bar. Alright, cool. Now let's go ahead and try that again. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and check out like a domain, I guess, or TACD target URL, I guess. Typo3 URL domain scan. And we'll just do a quick little still trying to log in. I just want to kind of use this tool, see what it's all about. See if the typo3 is not used on this domain. 100% is. Let's try it like this. I mean, it's used. That's really strange. Just saying that's not used on this domain. But I mean, it's obviously used. It's right here. This guy's taking forever. Let's go ahead and do this. Chris_W, then that, yep, okay. This guy's taking forever, huh? This we go, let's try to put index.php in there, I guess. Okay. So we found it with that index.php at the end there. Did not find it before. Okay, so we logged into typo3. At least we logged in now. Finally got us in there. I'm gonna let this guy run this podcast and see what he's all about. Maybe we'll use him more often. We'll see. But yeah, let's so the very first thing we want to do to be able to see what type of settings are on here is to go to settings, and then we're just gonna look for deny. I believe it's in extension, change, manage system. Is it in here? Might be in maintenance. Configure options. Might be configure options. Should be a search thing. Yeah, filter by deny. Alright, so file pattern deny. PHP, PHPSH, PHTML. Alright, so it's denying a lot of stuff in here, right? So we might be able to do like a PHP 3. Oh no, 3 through 8. So, you know, but we do have a lot of different denies in here, right? So let's go ahead and do a go to admin. What is this? Admin settings, admin tools, settings, delete, deny statements if you can. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out that shell.php. Let's go ahead and cat him. Make sure that everything looks good in here. 10.14.35.193 on port 53, okay. Looks pretty good so far. Go ahead and NC LVMP on port 53, like right there. And what we'll do over here, man, this guy's taking forever, huh? But the other side also took forever, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to delete all this. We'll show purchase being that again. And we want to write configuration. Alright, cool. It's been. So we're good now. So we can go ahead and do configuration. There we go. Alright. So we now got rid of all their access rules there. Let's go ahead and go to file list, and we can go ahead and upload a file now. We just click like right here, so we'll go to file list, click on new, like right there. Okay. Cool, easy day so far, right? So we go to file list, click on new, and pretty much what we want to do is we want to upload a PHP. Well, actually, let's go ahead and see if we can't. What we got here so far? Okay, we got file admin. So we should technically be able to get into admin1 vulnnet.thm file admin. Let's try that. File admin. Okay, we can. Alright, so we can get it there. Okay. Cool. Now let's go ahead and we will do a create a new one here. And nope, not new folder. Whoops. File list. Upload files. That's what we want to do. We'll go ahead and change this out. Okay. And let's go ahead and try to upload shell.php. Alright, awesome. And from here, we have this file admin, like right here, right? That's our folder. And we're going to go to VulnNet file admin. You can see, like right here, we refresh this, and now we have shell.php. Let me go ahead and highlight that part of it just so I know. Yep, I see what I was talking about. Cool. Alright, now let's go ahead and make sure we got a netcat listener up and running, right? We do. Alright, and we can click on that shell.php and we should technically get a callback, which we do. Alright, awesome. So we got a callback and we're good to go. Awesome. Thank you very much. Alright, cool. So we're good with that now, right? What's up, Samuel Hogg? How are you? So now that we have that up, right, let's go ahead and get a full shell here. Let's go ahead and cat scripts full shell. Which Python? Oh god. Which Python 3? We have Python 3 on here, so we go ahead and throw this in there now. Whoops. Export server equals xterm, and from here we're going to do a set rows, or what am I doing? So Why am I'm getting confused. STTY rows is going to be 22. STTY columns is 138. Alright, awesome. Easy day. Easy freaking day. Alright. So now we've got to start enumerating this guy, I guess. So let's see if we can find some config files first or something like that, you know. Gotta put this guy away to the side. This thing's taking forever over here. But let's go ahead and see if we can cd to var www.html. See if we got some password do we use or anything like that. Cd to typo. Cd to typo3.com. Cat local configuration file. PHP. That's like right where the what's it called? That's right where the passwords, things like that from MySQL are stored. Now, if we do see the MySQL password, I don't really care because we're able to get into it and everything. So it's not like we're going to get any more user information out of it. But should be able to see that here. We do, right there. Yeah, so easy freaking day, right? We have that Argon. Alright, cool. So that's a pretty easy day so far, right? Alright. Let's see what other users are on the box. /home. See what else is on here. System. Okay. Seems like that would be a group, that's all. CD to system. I still haven't tried to back out yet. Nope. Okay, that's not going to work. We don't know a password. Alright. I think we pretty much do whatever we want here. Can't read user.txt. We have videos, utils. Can't do anything really with utils. Read templates. Good. As soon as they have accessible, we can read that. There's nothing in there. We can read that profile. Nothing in there. Nothing in bash. We can't read his bash history. Bash logout doesn't matter. Bash RC, we can try something with that. I mean, not really. I just note all things because I want to make sure I got good notes. I'm used to things that don't have flags. They don't tell you when you're done. Something that actually just caught my eyes. We have Mozilla, and we can read that, and that's running under system. I feel like we gotta move up to system. We have Mozilla. We can read that. cd.mozilla. All right. So we have this guy and this one. Key4db logins.json. Alright, we should actually be able to be pretty good with that, like right there. You know what I don't have actually, now that I think about it, is I do not have a, I'm gonna stop over here. We'll do that another day or something. I actually do not have a nice like I don't have a nice gathering Firefox notes or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that also while we're doing this, because I think we're about to gather some Firefox credentials. So where would I put that? I guess I could just put that into like Firefox credentials, just kind of its own thing, huh? Because that can be on Windows or Linux. It can really be anywhere. So let's go ahead and do this. We'll say Firefox creds. Yeah, not. I guess we could put it in web, huh? No, we're actually going to put it, do I have like a privs for Linux? I do. That's more, go ahead and do that. Go throw it in there. No, because we can also use it for Windows too. We're just going to leave it its own thing. Okay, I'm going to stop messing with it. We're just going to leave it its own thing. Firefox creds, there we go. Cool. I think I broke it now. Great. There we go. All right, so, oh God. Yeah, I broke it, whatever. Okay, Firefox creds. All right, let's go ahead and do this like right here. So we're going to cd back into /home, cd to system. We're just going to do a quick, we're just going to show that guy right there. Right. And we're going to highlight this part like right here, saying that is writable or readable. Okay. I don't care, Frank. It's whatever. We already know how to get to back to this part, so it's whatever now. And on my phone, I'm like right now, so I don't know when I'm even gonna see it. All right, let's cd it in .mozilla. cd into Firefox, right? Print screen that. And we want to look at that guy and that guy most likely. Those are the two that we want, like right there. We want to get everything out of there. So we kind of want to zip those two files and then maybe make a web directory. And then from there, we'll just go ahead and after we make that web directory, after we zip these two, we'll make a web directory, download them back onto our machine, and we'll run a Firefox decrypt tool, which I don't know if I even have anymore. Oh, cool. Obviously I have it. Why is that in tools? Move Firefox decrypt to tools. Okay, there we go. CD to tools, CD to Firefox decrypt, and yeah, we're pretty much gonna grab this guy. We're gonna do it like that. Okay. So what we want to do now, which actually have my login.json right there, cookies.sqly. I think those are the two that I need. And why aren't you going back up here? That's annoying as shit. Okay, cool. All right, that's sweet. There we go. Okay, we're good. So let's go ahead and zip those. I wonder if we can zip them in here. Yeah, actually need to make a name for it, right? Zip that guy to creds.zip. Oh God, I can't see what the hell's going on. Name not match creds.zip. Yeah, I noticed. I want to zip that guy. Permission denied. Okay, can we copy it to /temp maybe? Copy tag R. This is so annoying whenever it does this shit like right here. I mean, I know why it's doing it. Let's go ahead and actually do this like real quick. Let's go ahead and do a quick Control Z. Okay, or maybe not. Guess we won't. Let me guess. Control Z. Nope, I guess not. Okay, I was gonna try to background it. Copy tag R to /temp. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the same thing with the other one, which was copy tag R AM. Okay, and we'll do that /temp. And then let's go ahead and CD /temp. Hopefully we won't need that one. All right. CD and 2F, whatever it is. And that's everything that we need, like right there. Now, we should just need only a couple things from this guy to be able to actually get the stuff that we want. And it should just be, I'm going to have to look it up again, exactly what we need. But it should be anything crazy that we really need. We should just need like a couple things from it. So we're just going to do gathering Firefox creds from .mozilla folder. Chrome. Okay. Yep, login.json and key4db. So that's all we should actually need. Now what we need to do is do a Python 3 tag-m http.server for 8080. Right. And I do not remember what his IP address is. So let's go ahead and get his IP address real quick. But what is going on with this whole other side of the screen over here? That's fucking annoying as shit, okay? Like for some reason this whole side of the screen just like stopped working. And let me guess, I can't go to learn. Okay, I can go there. Jesus Christ almighty. Copy that to the clipboard. But if I go back to my home machine, it works just fine. Okay, whatever. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a, let's just go ahead and just hop into it. 8080. Because what we should need is, we need to actually be able to fucking click on shit. That's what we need first. Okay, exit out of here. Is that messing with it? No. It's just fucked. That's all. Okay, cool. I don't know if we're going to have to like restart Kali or something, because that was just screwed. Let me try something like real quick. It's only on like half the page. Yeah, we're just going to restart Kali Linux because this thing's fucking fucked like right now. And we'll go back to 8080. I think I need the cert 9, key 4 and logins. So cert 9 I can't get, but key 4 and logins I can. I should just be able to wget in all honesty, huh? So let's do that. Screw it. We're just going to do a wget. Cert, what is it again? Cert 9, right? Key 4, cert 9. I believe it. I believe I need cert 9. I don't remember. I think some of them you do, other ones you don't. I mean, cash refused. $226. Why is it refused? I can let you get to like right here. What the fuck happened now? Okay. 8080. Oh, did I stop it up here? Yeah, I 100% stopped it. Maybe that's why. I'm sitting here like, what? What do you mean? Okay, wget that guy. Wget login.json. Cert 9, key 4, and login.json. JSON. Let's try that like right there. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and actually just take a print screen of that like right there and say, got these 3 files. Oh, that's super hard to see like right now, I understand. Downloaded cert 9, key 4, and logins.json. Okay. Alright, so we got that now, right? So now what we need to do is, I'm pretty sure we need to run a decryptor or whatever. And I don't remember how to run that really. So Firefox decrypt We have to get it where we actually want to do it at. Where these files are at. I should just be able to do Firefox decrypt / or desktop try-acne VulnNet Endgame. Alright, cool. And there we go. And we did it. So once we got those three, we go ahead and do our Firefox decrypt. Now, if you are going to do this on a live stream, make sure that you just don't type in Firefox decrypt, because it's going to go into your own home directory. It's going to drop your own stuff down. Just so you know. Okay. So we got that decrypt. Now it's saying it supports folder. So I'm wondering if he has the same password. I'm kind of wondering if he has the same password. So let's go ahead and try to do a SU into system. And let's see if Chris W is system, because I mean he was an administrator on typo 3. Let's go. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. CD into /home system. Stack LA cat user.txt. Can we do that now? We should be able to. Alright, awesome. And I can't freaking copy it. Even better. God damn it. Well, can we SSH change that? And what's his IP address up here? Okay, cool. Yeah, because I have config. That's what people are looking to. That's what you have to stop. Let's try this like right here. Can I do that? Or system actually. System. Okay, cool. So we can actually do that. Cat user.txt. So we can now get in like that. So let's go ahead and also echo system. And then that password that we just got right into user pass desktop try-acne VulnNet Endgame user pass.txt. Okay, cool. So we're there now. So we at least have this flag. Still have, what's the CMS administrator's password? Is that the one? That's probably what we got in the beginning, huh? For Chris W. Since he was an administrator on it. Technically he was. Let's go ahead and cat typo3.txt. Technically he was an administrator, Chris W. So hopefully this is the password we're looking for, like right here. Yep, okay. And what is the root flag? Let's go ahead and do a sudo check L. See if we got anything with this. Nope. Okay, we can cat the SUID bits. Oh, it's going good. You know, it's going good. We decrypted some Firefox stuff and utilized the password for what Chris W, who we think is, you know, was an administrator or system or something like that somewhere. We just utilized that for system because that's who could log in. So, and it worked. And then we SSH'd in, so it's working really good. Like right now, everything's going great. All right. Let's try do a cat scripts SUID lookup. And we'll try this with and also capabilities. That's a long one. Can we do anything with that? Like, I've never seen that before, so I have no idea if we could do anything with that or not. Like, that is something like right there. Well, we can try capabilities. I feel like that's not it, but we can always try capabilities also. If we don't really see anything stick out to us, the capabilities, we'll try limppies. Then we'll try that thing up there. That kind of sticks out to us. OpenSSL EP. Okay, that should actually be a problem like right there. So, alright. I might have that. Might have it already. Probably not. Because every time I say I have this in my notes, I don't. Raspberry Rice dual sudo edit. Nope, I do not. Okay, well, looks like we're going to be doing a, oh boy, don't even tell me that notes is acting stupid now too. Yeah, I'm just going to reopen it, screw it. And we can go ahead and do a little Linux privesc, and we should have, that guy should have something. I think GTF Open should probably have something for that. For the OpenSSL. Capabilities OpenSSL. I don't know if it's TAC-EP, but OpenSSL. Should have capabilities for this one right here. SUID bits. Huh. I'm pretty sure OpenSSL TAC-EP, or whatever it is, has. That's a weird one for me. The rest of them look pretty normal. Well, kind of, normal enough. Not really normal, but normal enough. Capabilities. Privesc. Yeah, okay, capability. Oh, man. Sorry. What's special about our output? Feel closely. Yeah, okay, EP. Nice. It's blank, however, when most things are blank, people think nothing in this case. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do an OpenSSL. Or TAC, or equals capability equals EP. Okay. Sweet. How do you get an idea of Firefox stuff? Because we could read the file for Firefox. And he had .mozilla on his stuff, so if we could read it, we're probably going to get credentials. System ran it. We're allowed to read it. So we'll probably get credentials. And Jeff W, or whatever his name was, that one guy that we've been getting into, not Jeff, what the hell's his name? Chris W or whatever? Yeah, Chris W. He was definitely an administrator on the, what's it called? On a, that typo 3. So, okay, so let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. Okay, so it's saying this like right here. It's still saying that. I don't know if that's 100% correct, like right there. OpenSSL. Do we have? Is it actually saying the UID? I mean, obviously it's a capability, yeah, because it's SUID, so say UID plus EP exploit, yeah, has to be, right? Because we're doing the capability like right there, right? Okay, let's go ahead and do this like real quick. Let's go ahead and do something. I'm going to grab this. We're just going to say open SSL capability. I'm going to go ahead and rename this guy. So like a property, yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and try this guy right here. Alright. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and we had an equals EP, so I feel like we're ready to go for this. We can't really do a sudo apt-get install now, can we? How the hell are we going to install that? How are we... Are we not going to do that on the target machine, I take it? Requirements on your system. Okay. We should already have that. We should be good with that. Create a file name, OpenSSL, exploit.c. Okay. I need to do a... There we go. I think I already have that. I have no idea. We should probably do it anyways. And we'll just go ahead and we'll throw it into here like real quick. Just in case. I think I'm in capital still. So there we go. Yeah, I'm good with that. Okay. So now we can do the Sublime text for this like right here. Alright, so now we have that open. Now what does it want us to do? That's next. Contains this guy right here. Okay, so the system bin bash, set UID to 0, set GID to 0. Okay, so just set the group ID and the UID, user ID to 0. Why did you disregard? That pxexec has a lot of SUID. That happens a lot, Frank, on Ubuntu systems, and I've never once seen it actually work. Like it actually get a call to anything. I've never seen it actually like do something other than when you already have like the password, or you can run it with like sudo and stuff like that. But yeah, I see that all the time. But even if we actually go to GTF Bowman's, I believe. This is sudo, not SUID. That's why. Alright, so let's go ahead and throw that into here. And there we go. Okay, cool. Now from here, we obviously got to save that, right? Save that guy. Okay, he's all saved and everything. He's all good. All good. All right, and now we need to compile the exploit, right? We'd have to compile it on the other system, right? Compiling. Okay. Check reference. He's compiling in Kali. Transfer file. Okay, so he compiled it in his own. Okay. Let's do it. He's compiling his own stuff like right here. That's fine. Okay. So go and take a print screen of that. Let's say compile on your own system. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually copy those two commands in there. I'll just make a script for this in all honesty. Maybe that's what we'll do after this. We'll make a little script for this. So we don't have to go through and do this whole thing again. It just does it for us. That would be nice, right? Okay, there's that and that. Okay, cool. It is safe to ignore warnings result. Okay. Transfer file using Python 3 HP server wget curl on the target machine. We transfer file. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So we'll do a cd and temp. We will do an ifconfig over here, Python 3, tac-m, http.server on port 80. And we'll go ahead and we will do a wget http. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Mythical Moon. Thank you very much. All right, so we will go ahead and we will do a wget, and we want to actually wget. It should be, we're going to wget that, yeah, .so file, that's what I thought. Okay, so we're going to wget that guy, slash the .so file, like right there, right? There we go. And he did go over there, okay, so let's show that we're starting a Python 3 server. We'll go ahead and we'll throw this into our notes. From here, we'll do a cd and temp on target machine, transfer file. Okay, there's that, right? Cool. And we have all that right. So now what's next? Root finally. Okay. Let's try it. Huh. Wonder if I had to do like the bin or whatever. That was very. I thought it was gonna be much better. I wonder if I had to do not bin, but what was it? It was home system utils, right? Let's go ahead and try that because that's what it does say up here. The capability. Did I show the capability up here? Of course it ain't, because I'm an asshole. Okay, let's go ahead and show the capability like right here. Cool. Cool. Okay. And then we'll do maybe just put in the full file path, huh? That might be what my problem is. Oh, I already did that. And then we want to do the rest of this again. Oh, there we go. And we are root. Let's frickin' go. There we go. Okay, cool. So we are now root. And let's go ahead and do a little, we did an OpenSSL like that. All right, cool. There we go. So now what we can do is cd/root. LSAC LA and cat. Oh, cd and the thm flag, yes. And cat.root.text. Let's frickin' go. Nice. All right. Frickin' nice, huh? Can I put stuff into here? Didn't I do this before? Okay. Chris, or did I just cat it? Like, yeah, I did it, and just never actually did this. And I just pretended like, what the hell did I? Now I completed the room. How did I complete it? Is it just because this thing's all acting all jacked up and stuff? I did it. The machine's not even started. What the frick is going on? Alright, I did it. Yay. That was super weird, like right there. Alright. Oh, because I had two triangles open. That's why. I'm sitting here like, what is happening? Alright, so let's go ahead and make a little bash script now for that thing that we just did so that we never have to type out all that again. Yeah, just keep trying. Really. Your features, literally. No, I did have it. I think I had two try-hack me windows open for the same box because I started up, because I already did it. I did it up to a certain point and I didn't actually. I remember I put in that CMS password. I was like, whoa. Now the user flag, I don't think I put it in, but I do remember putting the CMS password. Then all of a sudden I'm like, wait, where'd you go? You know? All right, cool. That was a pretty fun box right there.